Well, what's up? So, today I got my new SpeedTech lights in. So, in this video, you can imagine we're putting on new SpeedTechs. A while ago, I got in a conversation with somebody saying that they were buying Whalen and other class certified lights. Well, apparently, SpeedTech has always been class 1 certified for fire ambulance and all that stuff. But, yeah, I know it needs a bath. I don't know what I'm going to do in the wintertime with this thing, too, because I want to keep the rust off of it, but I still need to drive it. So, yeah. Yep, but you can see the new tonneau covering. There's my striker right there. Since my brother forfeited his parking spot, I'm going to take his parking spot over, put the Ford on the grass where it belongs. Oh, just kidding. Oh. I am very pleased with this truck, but and that's another thing too with my SpeedTechs is that I got the new brackets for the Silverado, so none of this cob bracket, but I'm not going to show you that video. What this video is going to be about is the K-Force 18-inch mini linear light bar that I got. That's what this video is going to be about. So, and what you're seeing, 20 miles per gallon, is correct. I just filled it up the other day, and I got 19. Thank you. 19. See, that's what I have remaining. It's still freaking full. Best is 20. Where does it? Well, that's since I've owned the vehicle. Then this is just my latest MPG, but when I hand calculated it was 20.1. Oh, not 20.1. Blah. 19.4 hand calculated it. I'm like, and I was coming on the way home, and it was sitting at like 23. I'm like, holy crap. When they say that the 5.3 is the most fuel efficient V8 in its class, I totally believe it. Because I'm glad I didn't buy a Ford, not to bash Ford or anything, but the EcoBoost 2.7 gets an average 18, what I've been seeing. Smashed into the garage. I swear to God, if I'm not driving this truck and somebody and one of my family members is driving this and they hit something, I've got no faith. Because if you hit something with this truck, you're either just don't give a shit or you're just not watching what you're doing. Because it's got parking sensors all over the place. It'll be like, it's got the lane departure, it's got everything on it. And, and if you're playing with your phone too much, it'll yell at you on the screen too. Holy moly. But I so far love it. Very easy to drive, comfortable riding, gets great gas mileage. That over there gets 16, 17 on a good day. And I nearly crapped my pants when I did the conversion, you know. I know how the odometer read, and it was reading 19.7, and I'm like, it's probably really high. You know, I took it right off the dealer. It's been idling a lot. I plugged the numbers in, you know, and took 23 gallons of gas, and yeah, it was like 19.4 miles per gallon. It's freaking awesome. So yeah, now my brother's going to come back like, why'd you move the truck? Well, because I can. But I know I love this thing so much. And that's another thing I love too. But I'm going to set the box here, and we're going to do an unboxing. I just realized when I did the start of this video, I think I was zoomed in a little bit. Oops. My bad. But, yep. So another thing I'm going to talk about is, for the winter, I'm going to end up buying, we're not going to be buying a 54 snowblower because of the sheer cost of it. Instead, I'm going to be buying the blade extensions for the 54 blade to make it a 6-foot blade, and I'm going to use that. My dad can use snowblower. I don't want to hear that. But yep, that's what the plan is for winter. So we got packing paper. We got, I think these are the mounting brackets. And screws. And what you've been all been waiting for. Look at that. They even gave me a magnet too. Well, you know what, SpeedTech? If you gave me a magnet, I would have put on the back of my truck and advertised for you. Even though I'm not paid by you, but it's not that big of a deal. But this is so cute. I like it. Uh-oh. I already broke it. It's so cute. It's so cute. I can pinch it. It's so cute. But it's probably pretty freaking bright. No, already. Oh, no, it's right here. I was like, why did I lose half the light bar already? So, without further ado, I think I'm going to throw it up in the roof and center it, and yeah, because I mean, and then I'll see when it's all centered and stuff. But I can't tell which is the front and back. SpeedTech lights. But I tell you one thing, it just to me, but just holding this light bar, it's heavier than the other one. If it looks like they've definitely improved the quality some, because you know it's kind of all glass surrounding. There's no really seams or anything that I can get into. Looks like it's easy going to be cleaning. So yeah, I will throw this up on the roof, get it centered, and I'll see you back for flash patterns. think that looks that bad. So, I think that's going to complete it for this POV. Now I get to have the fun part. Ugh. Simple that. I gotta get a new box though, because that thing sucks. So, next chore on my list. See if I got enough time, because I'm taking accident vehicle extrication training tonight. I got about half an hour. A little bit more than that. Ooh, whacked myself right in the freaking face. Stupid Chevy. So yeah, I'm gonna replace this. So yep. I'll show you the after, but that's like the before. So